Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat verify your password. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat verify your password, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of WeChat and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on WeChat. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.